Alright, the next feature is the details page of each models. So we can have a details page for the patients like this, and also we can have the details page for the doctor like this. So the pattern of the URL for the data page is board slash the model name, in this case patient, and slash the ID of that model. So in the detail page we can add as many information as we want. For example, if we want to add the photo or image of the patients, or so another information like the address or the contact number and so on. We can add the column first if we want another information of the models, and then we need to migrate, and we can put that information when we create the new models or the new records of the models. So for displaying the details, we can use the detail view from Django like this. All we have to define is the model, which model we want to show the details, and also the template name of that model like this. So let's go to the template file. This is the doctor detail page. So here we extend the base.html, and then we put the detail inside the content block. So for example, if you want to add the name of the doctor on the details, we can go it like this. So the page of the doctor, doctor name, we can call it like this. For this, you have to make sure that the attributes of the doctor is similar with the column name that you have created. If you use a customized name, you need to use the name that you specify here. Alright, for the URLs, you can define the path pattern like this. So for doctor is doctor slash the primary key of the object, and patient slash the primary key of the patient like this. And don't forget to use SView function for showing the views. So if we refresh, we need to save it first, don't forget, and we refresh, so you will get the doctor name in here. It's the same with the patients. You can access the information of the patients similarly. So you can go it like this. Don't forget to use the same column name with the one that you define in models.py. Otherwise it will result some error. So for example, if you do it like this, it won't show anything, but if you do it like this, you will get the patient name. So alright, so on the next video we will learn how to add more columns to our models and make the migration script, and then do the migrations of the model, and then we can add more information of each model and show it on the details page. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.